Welcome to the revolutionary world of growing your own organic mushrooms right at your home. Say goodbye to worrying about harmful pesticides and the high costs of supermarket mushrooms. Today, we're diving into the secrets of mushroom cultivation that offers both health benefits and economic opportunities. Join us as we uncover how you can become a master mushroom grower with our easy-to-follow, step-by-step guidance. Ever wonder what lurks on the mushrooms you pick off the grocery shelf? Pesticides, often used in commercial farming, can cling to mushrooms, affecting not only our health but also our environment. By growing mushrooms at home, you ensure a fresh, organic supply that keeps these toxic chemicals off your plate and out of your body. Imagine not only saving money by growing your own mushrooms but also potentially earning by selling them. With demand for organic produce at an all-time high, turning your mushroom growing hobby into a profitable business has never been easier. Hear from those who've transformed their passion into profit and how you could be next. Think mushroom growing is complex? Think again. Our Mushroom Growing For You system breaks it down with high-definition videos and a 155-plus page guide that makes it straightforward and enjoyable. Learn how customers like you have mastered mushroom cultivation on their first try, with abundant and tasty yields. Ready to start your journey towards health, savings, and profit with organic mushroom growing? Click the link below to grab your copy of Mushroom Growing For You and begin a fulfilling adventure in the world of organic mushroom cultivation. Healthy eating and profitable living are just a click away. Secure your guide today and transform your food and finances.